So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Amazon reviewer ranking. This might be important if you're trying to build up a business where you're getting free products from Amazon or from other folks. And so it's pretty simple. Go to your Amazon homepage, then go to where it says hello, your name, and then your account. Click on that. And then over here, where either you see your profile picture or just kind of a generic drawing in a circle, click on that to get to your profile, and then click on See More. And here is your reviewer ranking.